Okay.
Okay.
Where are you going?
Oh, it's flying upstairs?
Okay.
Well, first we have to put the rocket back in there. Okay, put the rocket back together.
No.
Turn that one around. Turn it around. Now that one's good. That one you need to turn around.
No.
That one. Like it makes a star. There. What next? What about up here? No. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, that's right. It just isn't going to stay all the way in there yet because we still have other pieces.
There you go.
There you go. Good job. Yeah.
There you go.
Turn it around. Just turn it a little. Turn it a little. The other way. With this, just turn it like that. Just a little. There.
You know where they go. You don't need our help. There you go.
Flip it over. There you go. Good job.
There you go.
Good
You
job.
almost got it.
Almost done. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Turn it around. There you go. Good job. Yeah, almost done. 2 more pieces. Yeah? Turn it around. Turn it, flip it over. There you go. There you go. Turn it around. The other way. The other way. See this pointy part? Needs to go up top. Turn it around. We gotta just turn it just like, okay, what about that? Good job.
All right.
Where are you going?
It's gonna
Oh, it's
fly.
gonna fly? Yes, it's gonna fly.
Let's make it fly now.
Let's make it fly. Rocket ship to the moon. Ready? Okay.
Let's fly upstairs. right. See you later. Good job, Claire. Good work.
Good job.